the Belp Splash page. It says, welcome to the Belp app, and we have the ability to log in either via social media or manually. You have the option of Facebook, Twitter, or Google, and today we're going to go ahead and use Google to log in. So upon clicking it, we're able to select the account that we want to log in with, and I'm going to select my Howard account, and we're going to go ahead and log in. On the home page, we're able to see a business near you. You can filter by the state and by the category. Say we wanted to find businesses in Alaska. It says Belp is not active in Alaska yet. So for the states that we don't have data points for yet, we let the user know that we don't have any data points. But we do have some data points for DC, so let's see what we have in DC. Upon clicking Find Businesses, you'll be taken to the business listing page. On the right-hand side, you have a list of all the businesses that fit within the state that we have data points for, and you're able to filter through this list. You can either filter by name, which is it does a live filter through the list, or you can filter by category. We can look specifically for bars, or we can look for specifically for other categories. When viewing a business, you have the option to maybe hide the list or hide the map. It gives just to see more information about that business. And the information that's available to you is the rating of the business, the photos, some reviews, and you can see what people are actually saying on Twitter. So this person says morning love at Calabash Tea Bar. As you can see, we're reviewing Calabash Tea Bar. What's interesting is that every business has their own personalized information that we pull for them. So these are the tweets that people were saying about busboys and poets. If we go back here, we can see that a review was left for this business. If we wanted to leave our own review, and maybe I agree with Daniel that this restaurant is alright, so I'll say, yeah, I agree. So we can post that, and you can see for my review, I have an option to edit or delete it. I can edit this and say, I disagree. It sucks. And now my comment has been updated, and the time has been updated, and we can also delete this comment altogether. So this covers some of the core functionalities of this user interface for the Belp app on the user side. Users are also able to contact us, and we say users or business owners can use this contact form. A business owner can put in their information, testing, right? Let's just put my information, and we can say please let me add my business, and we can go ahead and send that email. Now when we send this email goes straight to the admin inbox. So let's log in with an admin account. So we're gonna go ahead here and select an administrator account. My @Gmail has admin access, so we're gonna use that to log in today. So upon logging in, we can see that the admin account has some options that we didn't see before. Now we see an option to add business, and we also see an inbox. If we look through the inbox really quickly, we can see the message that I recently just sent at the time frame. Please add my business. And we can view other emails that are currently sitting in the admin inbox. We can go ahead and delete the emails too that we have already read or we're not going to reply to. And we can also grant any user that has requested for access. There's a button here that will grant them access to be able to add their business to this directory. They'll be able to log in and see the add business page. And speaking of which, let's look at the add business page. On here, we're able to add a business to the directory. So let's go ahead and add a test business. And this business has successfully been added. It doesn't have reviews yet, and there are it's just searching for the word test. So that's why it's getting tweets for this, because it's searching for the business name. We can go ahead and edit this business. If we wanted to add photos, we can add some photos for this business. And I'm going to select 2 photos here, and we're able to save it. And if we go back here, we'll be able to see the photos that's been added to the business. And as administrators, we can go ahead and delete this business. And now, if we refresh, we will see that the test business is gone from this list. And even if we search for it, that business is completely gone. That completes. If I wanted to delete a photo from a business, I can go ahead and click on the edit for that business. And this business has 2 duplicate photos. So let's get rid of one of them. Let's say we delete this one. It'll ask if we want to delete it. We'll say yes. And then if we go back to that business, we can see now these 2 duplicate photos have been removed. App shows the user all the pins of the businesses that have been found for their search, and these pins, upon highlighting over them, you'll see basic information, internal Belp information in regards to that business. So we could see here, if we look at the business we're currently looking at, it has 1 review and it has 4 stars, and we can see the address and we can see the phone number. You can navigate to any business just by looking at the location on the map and clicking on it. So if we wanted to view Carolina's Kitchen, now the information for Carolina's Kitchen has been loaded up. We can also even jump down and go into the street view to see more information about this business. We can look around here and see the area that the business is located in, and we can even put the map on full screen if we wanted to, so the users can go and fully look at the area before even going to a business. Now, moreover, if the user wanted to really interact with this map, they have the option to deselect the business on the side. If you click it, it will toggle the map to make the map full screen, and there will be no more information being shown. You have no business selected, and it will just be the map.